Hi guys, my name is Linan. Today I'm going to present you guys my demo games. First, let me tell you about myself. Right now, I'm currently pursuing computer science degree in bachelor. I'm also part of the company's Phoenix Core Studio. My position is right now is a game developer intern. So let me just get into the game right now. Show you guys what this little demo is. Oh, the first thing, the plot of this demo is it's the escape room where what you do is basically I'm gonna bring you to a start point, and your objective is to escape the room, which I'm gonna have a aim goal for you guys to like climb to or jump into that when you guys able to escape the room or the final destination. You guys basically won the game. Also, it's not going to be easy, of course. I'm going to have like sort of challenges, monster traps set up so where player can have fun with it at the same time, not just trying to give them like you know. All right, let's get into the game.
Like it's a hard environment, right?
I'm gonna press play right here. So as you can see right now, this is your character. Use WESD to move, jump, and when you just now you saw when they jump, it's different animation. Also when you land, and right next to the character, left side of the character, you see a trap, and once the character go close enough or on top of it, the character will die. And let me just show you. There you go, and the character lay down on the floor because the trap has a damage, and each time character go on top of it, it would deal damage to character. And right now I had set the damage to max, which is kill the whole character's health to max. So for me to restart, let me show you more what had the game I done in the game. Let me just restart again. So also just now you see was something it's a fire weapon that just shoot projectiles and later I'm gonna set monster in the game where this could deal damage to monster and kill them. So you don't have to try to escape from the monster, instead just fight them instead. So you just run. Oh, my bad. Let's start again and just run. It's like parkour, same thing. So you just try to navigate through the map and a lot of try and fails. And if it actually has a lot of stuff go into it, like this tiles, like where you put in the map, and just a lot more I haven't able to put in the game. Later you see that little monster over there to the top right. Later I'm gonna put a little AI system into it where the monster would chase me maybe, or would shoot projectiles at me, just basically just trying to kill me. Alright, that's basically what I have shown you as playing the game. Let me just show you now the blueprints and the animation. So this is my folder. It's called demo, and this is blueprints. It says the character, it has the shots, states, monster, traps, and widget, which each does. Like this is the player, which is this right here. And this is the code that's within the character, and this is the shoot, which is super small, which is the little projectile that's when the character shoots, and so on. Yeah, I wish I could show you guys every single one, but we got a lot more to go through. And this is the map. Map is so far is just blank space. I I had to put like I could just put like a blue screen in the back, but that's just too boring. So and this is the material you could change colors, texture, a lot of different stuff. And like example on this one, I made the material super bright, light bright blue color. So later I'm gonna add that to my pro tiles, where my character, when they shoot, it's just like glows and in blue color. This is the sprint. So as you can see, I have all different type of animations set up, and later like each of them is one picture. So I had to create a flip book where put multiple pictures together in one single picture, which is called a flip book. You can see dead, jump, hits, jump, run, shoot, sitting, and stands. And I got a lot more. I just gotta make it now. And this is the environment ones, where you could just put inside your tile map, and I just need to be creative and think the way how I'm gonna make the game. And all this artwork came from open source online. It's from Unreal Engine. If you guys want to get it, just search on Google. I'm pretty sure you will find it. It's pretty easy. And this is a weapon. This is just one weapon right now. So as you can see, I have two pictures right here, and those two pictures I made into one. And that's how it is when two pictures come into one. And this one, like you see right here, the zero box is one frame, and the second one, it has 5 frames. So that's what's going on right now. Let me now show you some code that's inside the game. Let me show you the character code. So right here in this box, it just basically shows damage, how damage is applying to the character. Right here, right now, I have set up the pressing F will deal damage to my character, and each time it's depending on I think I had put a certain amount of damage to when I press the F right now. I don't see that right now, but I'll figure it out later. And it seems very messy right now. I'm gonna later clean it up a lot more. So it's a lot of loops. Make sure everything is talk to each other. Make sure it's it's like sometimes you gotta cast the players. Make sure it's knowing the right number, value, true or false. And this one is just initialize. It's just like when you play, what happens. And on this box is handle animation. So it's basically always updating animation. So on this switch class, is every time like something happens, it will come to this update animation. It will say, oh, stand, running, crouch, hits, dead, jump, and etc. And each one has a own flipbook that it will go into when the system tells that, oh, you gotta do this. Then the system go into this flipbook and show us this animation. And this right here is handle movements. Sorry about the noise in the background. In here is basically just asking, like, see if the character is moving or not, and the directions, a lot of true and false statements, because we gotta know what's the character is doing. If let's say is the character standing right now, that means it's yes. If not standing, it's false, and we'll go to false statements. and this tick. So what this right now showing is basically the next land damage. This is the same thing. Just every time when character land on the floor, you make sure it does also a different animation and how many this time on it. So let's go through this code here. So land on event on land. So branch true and false statements. So if true, if the character land on the floor, it would be standing. Then it would say update the animation, and then there's a delay into it. So like how long are you gonna do it, and then in here it says asking is the character being hit or not. If not, it will keep going. If it is hit, it would show the hit animation, then bring to the players, and here it's sitting, the same thing over again. And this is the casting to the player controllers. This handle jumps, basically everything is very similar. Sorry, it's just saying if you've been pressed or not, and see if if the character not jumping or jumping. There's the shoe code. Right now, if you see if you press the key for shooting, it's not. It will not show the animations. It's very just knowing what you it's the same thing. Every single code is basically the same, but you just gotta know how to do it. And there's a lot more, but that's so far I'm gonna show you guys for today. And thank you for listening to my presentation. Yes, if you want to contact me, just email me linanghe95@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.